This tutorial explains the response capture facility. Where a survey is conducted wholly, or partially by telephone, or if hard copy responses have been collated, the capture facility will allow external data to be entered. The response capture facility can also be used to modify and remove previously entered survey response data. It is not necessary for a survey to be currently published, but a survey must have been previously published for the capture menu to be available. To activate the response capture facility, first select the survey. If the capture menu option is not displayed, it would suggest that the survey has not previously been published. In which case publish the survey first for the capture menu option to be displayed when the survey is selected. The capture facility will only access the latest publication dataset. If there are previous publication datasets, they cannot be modified. The default date range will be set for the previous and current day. If there are more responses that you want to display, increase the date range. Click on the search button to return responses that match the specified date range. 10 responses are shown per page. For performance reasons, a maximum of 500 responses can be displayed at any one time. If there are more than 10 responses, you can click on the page numbers at the bottom of the list, or the next or previous page arrows, to navigate through the list. To select a response, click on the response. To view the selected response, click on the entry's corresponding view action icon. To edit a selected response, click on the entry's corresponding edit action icon. To add a response, click on the Add button at the top. If you are entering information from hard copy survey data, you may want to write the automatically assigned manual entry number on the hard copy for easier auditing. When adding an item, if required, you can add your own reference. If adding a new response, click on the Start button. Enter the survey response information. Please note that, if exit and quit URLs have been assigned to the survey, they are ignored. Click on the Submit button to finish entering the response information. Click on the Search button to redisplay the list of responses. If you want to modify an existing response, click on the response item that you want to modify. Then click on the Edit action icon. If you want to modify more than just the reference, click on the Edit button. If you just want to add or modify the reference, make the change and then click on the Save button. If you want to see the changes you have made in the display, click on the Search button again. Please note that this will reset the display, so if you have several pages, you might want to make all the changes first and then update. To delete a response, select the item. Then click on the Delete action icon. Please note that the response capture facility has been deliberately designed not to make it easy to mass delete survey responses. You can sort the list of items by clicking on any of the table headings. Each subsequent click will toggle the sort order between ascending and descending. To select all the partially completed responses, click on the Submitted column heading. All those without a submitted date will be partially completed surveys. Should you require a specific response ID, enter the response ID in the search field. Ensure that the date range is correct for the required response ID. If you are not sure, just change the year of the from period to a date prior to the date you registered. The entered by field will be updated with the name of the person who entered data manually using the capture facility. Entering information in the search field will return responses if the search field matches the response ID, reference and entered by data. That is the end of this tutorial.